Hello, Diecast Misfits community. It's June already, and it's time for St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital Charity Auction. Today, I'm submitting two cars, 55 panels, and they're done up in a bubblegum pink and a sapphire red with St. Jude's Research logos on the front, and the Diecast Misfits are on the back. But the cool thing is, I did these two cars like I was thinking of doing a lunch pail or a toolbox, in which I put all of the Misfits stickers on the sides and made it look like somebody just came up and slapped a sticker on the car and didn't care where they ended up. So I hope everybody likes them. I had fun building them, and I look forward to a great auction. Thanks.